how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a monster face. There's a few of these on the channel, and I always change up the type. So this is yet another monster face, another way to draw it. It's just gonna be the face, a vignette of the eyes and the mouth, and you will like it, I hope. If you like drawing Halloween stuff and scary stuff, do yourself a favor and click the subscribe and bell notification. When you do that, it will let you know when I post a video. I'm gonna be posting only within these 2 to 3 months. So that's when you're going to get the most notifications. Other than that, for the rest of the year, I post maybe once a month. But yeah, the good part is when you subscribe now, it'll subscribe you for next Halloween as well, because you'll just start seeing stuff pop up on your feed next year. And you're like, oh, cool. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be using this marker. And let's start this monster face. I'm going to try and make it extreme with one eye. So right here, I'm going to draw a upside down curve. Going to go over here on this side, pull it up. So one eye I want it big, and one eye I want it kind of screwed up, like scrunched. So one eye is huge, and then pull down here, in here, line over here, and then this side is going to be more squinty. So I'm going to have a curved line over there, curved line here. And I'm going to have iris and pupil looking to the right, and then this one you're going to see the whole iris and the pupil looking that way. Going to have a little highlight here on this side. I'm going to fill in the rest mostly, and I'm going to have the iris out there. Same thing on this side, circle over here for the highlight, circle in the middle for the pupil and iris. And I'm going to, on the iris, which is the colored part, I'm going to throw these little lines radiating out from the center. Right on. Gonna go over here, bag of the eye, right here underneath too. It's gonna be a little bit more scrunched. It's gonna have some crow's feet as well. It's scrunching in there. Line over here for the eyelid, and over here for this top eyelid. Curved line down. I'm gonna have a crooked smile here, kinda, or I don't know what you call, like a grimace. The top's going to be, since it's all scrunched, he's pulling the mouth up a little bit, right? The skin of the mouth. Pulling down here, out over here, line over here, line over here, up, line in, out, and I'm going to have the bottom, since it's flexed, I'm going to do that as well. So it's going to be like, on one side. I'm going to draw a fang on this side, and I'm going to draw a fang on this side. And then there's going to have little sharp teeth. There's only that big fang, but the rest are going to have little sharp teeth there. I'm going to draw a nasal cavity here, which is just like 2 dots. And now we're going to add more detail. We have the main kind of look to them, and the detail is going to be lines right here underneath the bag of the eye on this side. Maybe a little bit more than that. Line over here for the scrunching at the top. Line over here. Line over here. And I'm going to start drawing the gum line here on the teeth. That's what I mean by detail, the gum line, where it's going to kind of connect. Oops, that one doesn't connect. I have to cheat it there. And the gum line at the bottom as well. Maybe a little bit of shadow right here from the lip onto the gums. So it's going to create a little darkness over here. line down here. So remember this, the lip's pushing down, so you can see the outside of the lip. Line over here, line over here. Just trying to I'm trying to kind of like, control these details, like I'm trying to merge them because it starts to get out of control pretty quick. Right. Maybe lines over here. You're adding lines to like everything, and the more you do this, the more detail kind of comes up, right? You're trying to like figure out what's going on. This one's pretty wild, this face. Maybe a couple of small lines here to show that the eye is a little bit 3D there. On here to show maybe the tension in the forehead or something. So it's kind of cool. You can kind of keep going with this too. That's what's kind of wild. I know there's a little bit more advanced than the thing, but I would say I think when you do this, when you start toying with the idea of like once there's shapes, start drawing like especially like this, and there's no limit to the lines you can draw around it. Start drawing thinner lines here. You know how there's bold line? This is a bold line. It's a main one, and then there's these thin lines right here. These are detail. So the thin lines make the bold ones look better. I would try to remember that. Curve there. But absolutely, just kind of. But anyways, that's mostly it, honestly. Yeah, it's pretty wild, right? It's like a scrunched monster face here. Maybe that's what I'm gonna call the video, like scrunched monster face. Hope you enjoy these. It's a little bit different. I'm trying to go into more detailed stuff on the channel because people asked for it. Please let me know how you enjoyed it. Also, share the video. If you really like this, please share it with someone that you think would. Also, don't forget the cool Halloween drawing templates. Basically, there's something I sold on this site last year. It is there's like for example, there's like one page and it'll have the how to draw of a drawing on this channel, like how to draw a bat, and it'll have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one page. You can print that one page out. Perfect. I put 100. I gave you 100 in one PDF. I used to sell that, but now I'm giving it away for free as a gift to kind of the anniversary of the channel and the loyalty that people have shown this channel. So thank you so much. That's a free gift. It's the first link in the description. It's completely free and they're made to print. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you soon. Okay? Stay spooky, everybody.